This is the bird's eye view of the magnificent building of Anna Saheb Dange International School, Islampur. This is the front side of the school. You can see compound wall from all sides, a main gate and a security cabin. 4-story building, main gate. This is the logo of Anna Saheb Dange International School. This is the front side. Main gate, security cabin on the left side, parking on the left side compound wall. This magnificent building is the building of Anna Saheb Dange International School, Islampur. ADIS Islampur. This is the main gate, parking space, a compound wall on the left side, the main building on the right side. The campus is lush green, surrounded by tall trees, bushes, flowers on the side of the wall. School buses, well equipped with GPS, all kind of safety certificates, licenses obtained from traffic office. This is a continuous compound wall of ADIS. On the right side is a tennis court. The left side wall, a corner on the left side. We are now turning to right. The wall continues. The wall, a continuous wall. Inside the wall there are trees, bushes bearing flowers. ADIS is surrounded with scenic surroundings. This is a place where public programs take place, assembly ground. Again we turn to right and this is wall, staff quarters. This is the back side of the school building. So from school quarters we are moving ahead. This is the left side wall of this. This is the right side wall of the school from the entrance. We entered the school gate, then we went straight from left side of the school, watching the wall on the left side. Then we moved to right, and then again we moved to right, and this is straight left side wall. Again coming straight to the front part of the school. Now we are turning right again, and we will be back to the school gate, completing a full circle to the school. So it's a continuous compound wall, a security cabin where security personnel keep watch all the day. They do not allow anyone to get inside. This is men's school gate, inside school gate. This is the lobby, reception. A receptionist, you can see interacting with the parent. Principal's office, Vice Principal's office. This is the inside corridor of the school. Washroom on the ground floor for boys. Urinals, 2 basins and toilets. Washroom on the ground floor for gents, well ventilated. All sanitation certificates of municipal corporation obtained. Pure water for drinking, reverse osmosis facility. Cooler. This is girls washroom on the ground floor. Basins, 3 basins. 3 toilets, Western toilet, Indian, and 1 more Indian toilet. The ground floor and the building has a U shape. All the classes, one of the side is open, and on both the side of U there are classes. At the end of this is now a beautiful classroom for the tiny tots. Nursery.
Welcome you all. This is our UKG class. Because of COVID-19, we are conducting online classes. So this is our EVS corner. Here many teaching aids are there. We are using these teaching aids while we are taking online classes. And this is our maths corner. So here our shapes are there, some blocks, some coins are there, and some concept teaching aids is there, tall and short concept. This is our English corner. We have here sideboard flashcards, ABCD puzzles are there, some A to Z letters.
Another beautiful classroom of KG class. Attractive sitting arrangement. Bewitching pictures which win the heart of tiny tots as soon as they enter the class.
Hello, I am Solia and welcome to our nursery class. This is our nursery class and here kids play and have fun.
Sitting arrangement, variety of tools, attractive pictures on the wall, educative things. This is admin block, well equipped with all facilities, scanner, Xerox. Principal's office, well decorated with the trophies and honors won by the students of ADIS SOPA. Principal Mr. M.S. Prabhakaran. Closed circuit camera arrangement in all classes. All the campus is under digital vigilance. Sitting arrangement in the principal's spacious office.
Welcome to Anna Saheb Dange International School. Let me tell you something regarding our school's vision or mission. Actually, our vision is striving for human excellence. Without effort, nothing we can do in and around education. And we focus our vision. Apart from our vision, our mission is to be mentors in forming persons of conscience, character, competence, compassion, and commitment. As you know, in the modern world, education is not merely the knowledge of academic. Students should be able to maintain their social commitment as well as their personal commitment towards the nation as well as their personal life. Our quality policy is we intend to continually strive for excellence through our outcome-based learning, mapping the progress of every child, taking every possible initiatives for the all-round development of a child. Thank you very much.
Anna Sahib Dange International School, Islampur, is gaining ground very fast because of its systematic curriculum, innovative pedagogies, and state-of-the-art infrastructure, well equipped with latest technology. ADIS plans its curriculum in January and February, and it organizes regular training programs for its teacher, which introduce teachers with new pedagogies and latest technologies in education. Once we plan the curriculum for the year and we have the assessment schedules ready with us, we ensure the proper implementation of annual curriculum planning, and we ensure the quality inside the classroom. Proper pedagogies are used inside the class, student interaction, parents and all the stakeholders are involved time to time. Anna Sahib Dange International School emphasizes holistic development of the child, that is physical, emotional, mental, intellectual, social and spiritual development, and all the curricular and co-curricular activities of ADIS are planned to develop these aspects of their personality. ADIS organizes sports meet, sends its students to represent different tournaments at state, national level. Furthermore, it organizes different programs in the school, field visits, so that the students can get actual first-hand experience of what they learn inside the school. Learning by doing, practically oriented learning, innovation. Anna Sahib Dange International School has a vision to bring out the human excellence in its students, and with this end, we have the mission. We use innovative pedagogies, innovative teaching methods inside the class, provide regular trainings to our teachers, update the teachers with the latest know-how in pedagogy and in their subjects. We also upgrade our teachers and students with the latest technology and the use of latest technology. That is what gives an edge to the students of ADIS, and that is what is making ADIS popular among students and the region. Thank you. Showcase in the lobby. It's the staff room where teachers usually sit. The meetings are also held here. Principal along with the staff. Principal Mr. Prabhakaran, accompanied by Mr. Ganesh Patil, the trainer, academic trainer, This is the staircase leading to first floor with the values and attractive space pictures. This is art room. The masterpieces by the students and the art teacher. Lovely. This is nothing less than the exhibition of the pictures by the masters. It's a beautiful place. Anyone would love to be. Anyone would love to watch them. One who loves art. Art is immortal.
Good morning. I am Krishna Rosari, art teacher for Annasab Target International School. Thank you for visiting our ADS art room.
These are some of the masterpieces by the students. Sketches, human sketches, some artistic articles prepared by the students under the guidance of the arts teacher Mr. Krishna. This is a classroom view. Each classroom is well equipped with LCD smart class benches. In one class maximum 30 students can sit. This is the rooftop lobby. This is STEM lab. Quite innovative, equipped with so many things, so many instruments related to science, mathematics, technology. It's really a feast to watch for a science and engineering lover. It excites the curiosity, all these instruments excite the curiosity of students, encourage their minds to think. This is the place where young scientists get interested in science, and this curiosity leads to bigger inventions in future. STEM lab, another view. You can see the instruments. This is another classroom on floor 1. Next classroom, floor 1. Another classroom, floor 1. Nicely decorated by the teacher. You can have a look at another classroom. Nice, comfortable, cozy benches, notice board, table for the teacher, smart class arrangement, fire safety, cleanliness, dustbins, washrooms on the first floor for gents, wash basins, well partitioned, proper flush arrangements, air circulation taken care of, Indian as well as Western toilet facilities. Now we are moving to computer lab on the first floor. All systems, proper arrangement, the computer teacher sitting there. Now we are moving out from the computer lab. It's a language lab, probably the only language lab of this kind in this region. Nice sitting arrangement, the Philips apparatus, headphones, the language lab software, Now we are moving to music room. Guitars, keyboards, multiple keyboards, multiple guitars, tabla, harmonium, music teachers, saxophone, music book stand, arrangement for students to sit. Music lab is used for music classes and music club activities. This is another part of music lab. Congo, bongo you can see. Drum, octopad, electric drum. We are now moving outside. Fire safety arrangement on the right side of floor 1. This is girls washroom. Yeah. This is another class. Now we are moving to second floor. The values are inculcated in on the minds of student in an effective way through these pictures on the wall. Now we are in a spacious library of Anna Sahib Dange International School. You can see a huge collection of books. They are academics, co-curricular, as well as related to personality development. These are 12th standard textbooks, 11th-12th standard books. This is the preparation for the proposed 11th and 12th standard classes of CBSE. ADIS strives hard to inculcate habit of reading among its students because ADIS knows the importance of reading. Readers becomes leaders. Proper air circulation, proper light, digital surveillance, all left side classrooms, all the classrooms are similar. You can have a glimpse from the window inside. This is RO. On each floor there are 2 coolers, one for girls, one for boys. On each floor there are 2 washrooms which contain one Western, one Indian washroom. This is girls washroom on floor number 2. Now we are moving to floor number 3. You can see the amazing pictures. This is floor number 3. This is gymnasium. Boxing kit bag and the pictures of students' idols, Vishwanath Anand, the Grand Master of India. Basketball, Magic Johnson, the equipments that are available in the school, the legendary cricketers on the wall motivating students to play basketballs, footballs, lawn tennis rackets, cones, karate kit, cricket kit, carom kit, gymnastic kit and judo kit. This is a dart. Here there is a picture of Mike Tyson, the heavyweight world champion. These are treadmills where students can practice jogging. Here weights, pulleys. This is Mr. Vikas, a physical in charge of ADIS. Indian badminton legends Sania Mirza, Sushil Kumar. Here the weight training for students. The pictures on the wall, all the equipments, all the instruments, the ambience is suitable in every way for the students to develop themselves physically, to develop their body, health and sports related skills. This is another class on floor number 3. This is floor number 4. Now you can have a look at physics lab. Anna Sahib Dange International School Secondary and Higher Secondary section. This is a proposed, these are all proposed laboratories for CBSE 11th and 12th classes. These are all proposed labs, fully ready. These are the classrooms, fully ready to accept the students. All classes well equipped with smart classes, boards, LCD projectors, well ventilated, all facilities of good light arrangement, completely new seating arrangement for proposed 11th and 12th standard classes. This is floor number 4, where you can see the seating arrangement for class 11th and 12th students. One class can accommodate 30 students. We are now moving from the right side. Now we will be moving to the laboratories. On one side of floor 4 there are classes, proposed classes for 11th and 12th, and on the other side there are laboratories. So this is the first biology lab that we are watching now. Human digestive system, nitrogen cycle, animal tissues, well ventilated.
Proposed biology lab this is. So these are the specimens which belongs to botany and zoology, and these are the different types of charts which are based on the botany and zoology syllabus. Okay, and these are the models of DNA and RNA, and here there are compound microscopes as well as the dissection microscopes. Right? So these are the slides. Okay. And so these are the specimens which are belongs to particularly the zoology, the human reproductive system, human digestive system, and the circulatory system. Okay. Right. So this is the skeleton, human skeleton. Okay. So here there are some more specimens are there which are belongs to the zoology. Okay. That's all. Thank you.
This is biology lab, another glimpse, the skeleton, the human skeleton, the skull and different reptiles you can have a look at now. Excretory system, digestive system, respiratory system. You name it and it is there. Amazing collection of models in biology. Proposed biology lab of Anna Sahib Dange International Class 11th CBSE and 12th CBSE. Human bones, models of human bones, skull, jaw, brain, kidney, teeth, chest rib, tongue, mucus, spirogyra, human kidney, and other models. Probably this is human body showing respiratory system, human female reproductive system. These are the charts. Tuberculosis, human reproductive system, parts of plant, paramecium structure, colorful and attractive charts, making learning biology interesting. Plants kingdom chart, a chart showing evolution of human wings. Another chart about parts of flower, carbon cycle, microscope, compound microscope, some of the chemicals, microscope, compound microscope, and other models of different animals, structures of DNA, RNA, models of cockroaches and reptiles. No doubt, all these models, instruments will make learning interesting for the students of ADIS. These are extra charts, many of them to be placed. This is another collection. This is the inside part of a biology lab. All classrooms are well ventilated. A learning conducive ambience is created in every laboratory and classroom. Huge chart showing epithermal. This is the next laboratory, physics laboratory.
Hello, welcome to proposed physics laboratory of class 11 and 12 of Anna Sahib Dange International School. So we have various types of equipments here to conduct different experiments. This is moving coil tangent galvanometer. It is used to measure Earth's magnetic field. Then we have experiments related to electricity also. This is meter bridge. So here we can find the potential difference between 2 points. We have compound microscope, an experiment in optics. We are also conducting thermistor experiment in electricity using Ohm's apparatus, Ohm's law apparatus. You can see, we'll show over here. This is windmill experiment. This is traveling microscope. This is windmill experiment. This is Ohm's law apparatus conducted for electricity. We have all battery elementals and the charges over here. This is traveling microscope. Newton's disc. We are following the prescribed syllabus, conducting all such sort of experiments. Solar system. The charts we have not shown, but the charts are there. This is tuning fork experiment conducted in sound. In optics, we are conducting experiments on prism, refractive index. This is prisms used for finding refractive index, and concave mirrors we have, spring balance, experiment for measuring weights. This is a regular physical balance, and we have two types of equipment. One is spring balance, one is weight balance. And the first one, these are measuring devices, vernier calipers and screw gauge, which help us finding out the dimensions of the two objects.
This is physics laboratory. Now we are moving ahead after watching physics lab. Now we are moving to chemistry lab. I told you that on the one side of this floor there are all laboratories, and on the other side there are classrooms for 11th and 12th. Floor 4th is dedicated for proposed 11th-12th classes.
Welcome to the Anna Sahib Dange International School. This is a proposed chemistry +1/+2 CBSE lab. Here we have to observe some experiments, materials. This is a burette and this is a burette star. These are the test tubes. These are the test tubes, and this is the star, and this is the burette. And we have the sinks also. Different liquids and different salts. More than 100 salts is there, more than 100 liquids is there. Different types of salts and liquids is there.
Collection of chemicals required for different experiments in chemistry in class 11th and 12th. ADIS has state-of-the-art infrastructure, best laboratories, experienced and renowned faculty for which are selected for proposed 11th and 12th classes. Even there are teachers for teaching 9th and 10th classes who are PGT, are well experienced, innovative and qualified for teaching class 11th and 12th also.
See, this is a measuring jar, and we have different measuring jars. This is a beaker, and this is a 100 ml conical flask. This is a 50 ml beakers, and different size beakers also available. And this is a 250 ml beaker. having this is a China dish. This is a test tube holders. Test tube holders and China dish is a tripod stands is there. For the heating purpose, we having the gas pipes also. We having the pH paper. pH papers and different indicators having. More than 15 indicators we are having, and different salts also we are having. And this is a capillary tubes. The small tubes is a capillary tubes.
Okay. The school has a list of teachers selected for proposed 11th and 12th classes. Proper fire safety arrangement in all laboratories, in all classes also. COVID-19 situation triggered innovation and creativity among ADIS teachers also, leading to the use of Zoom online platform, Google online platform, YouTube channels and WhatsApp. ADIS has fully used technology to make their classes effective and once again proved that learning never stops at ADIS. ADIS, a safe place for learning. This is a view. I told you that a school building is in a U shape. This is the ground, school ground on the back side of the school. Basketball court, imported turf. This is a multi-purpose ground. Here you can see a large basketball ground. This ground is also planned for lawn tennis. So you can see in the corner the poles for placing the net are kept. So when lawn tennis is to be played, the net is placed in the center and tennis is played. Basketball, naturally it's a basketball court also, and even students can play football on this ground because this is not a small basketball ground, it's huge. You can see. But only one game can be played at a time on this ground, either basketball, football or lawn tennis. School also has the arrangement of lawn tennis. As I told you, this is the kit required for lawn tennis that is currently placed in the corner, as the students generally when they come they play on the ground, either football or basketball. So when tennis player come, they place it in the center. This specially imported court of international standard. You can see it's fun to play on this ground. The school is surrounded by scenic trees. If you climb on the top of the building, you can see the mountains. See the splendor. The building, U-shaped building, is a building of ADIS. Backside you can see the ground, and there near the ground you can see the assembly zone. and even the platform where the programs take place. Now we are moving to the front side. You can also see the wall from compound wall in continuation from all sides. Thank you.